everyone, this is Misbah Sheikh and today I'm going to speak about mental and physical abuse towards women. As everyone knows that mental peace is the most important parts of everyone's life. Mental peace is something which makes a person. If a person is mentally disturbed, it took all the reasons from their lives to live. As women has to face this mental torture just because of being a woman. Being in this 21st century where so many countries have given equal right to a woman, there are people who are still doing this gender discrimination. Looking upon Maharashtra, even our government has recognized so much of facilities, so much of rights for women to make them grow. But on the other hand, people still stop them. There are still places where women are not allowed to go out. They are still not allowed to do what they want. They are still not allowed to speak of what they like. People still stop women by saying that they are women. They have no rights of choice for them to make their lives. As somewhere by giving religious or somewhere by giving society issues. Why? The family is the first school for a child. Most of the families teaches the girl to keep their mouth shut as it will be respectable for their family according to them. Instead of training them mentally and physically strong, families are the first reason who teaches the girl to act as a puppet. This is something not about family, society or a surrounding. This is something about our mentality. Where people cannot change a girl's mindsets by giving them mental issues, they start using the physical power against them. This is not about rape. This is something about a mental torture. Where so many girls have to face this torture each and every single day. No matter how many rights have been made, still maximum number of women has to face this torture just because of being a woman. As we are young generation, if a girl got a free-minded family, being in this social media generation, people used to troll a girl or woman on social media. Where everyone is allowed to do what they want, people still trolls on a girl's dressing style, people still troll a woman as they are doing what they want, as they are living a life how they want. All these things affect mentally and could really lead to a mental breakdown. And most of the girls go through the mental breakdown daily. I have a thing to share. As in most of the religious, people not allowed in kitchen or to do religious activities during periods. As people say that this is an ongoing religious activities from older days. During periods, people treat women as a dirt. Why? Even me, you, every single person in this world are made up of that blood. Then why this illogical discrimination? These are some illogical things which creates inequality. As I think that during olden time, people not allow them in kitchen or to do religious activities as they were mature enough to make a woman take rest. But with growing time, people grow their brains too and took all these things as a religious rules and regulations. It's all about equality, which has still not took place even after getting so much of rights. This is something not about respecting a woman. This is something about respecting a human and their choice. And the most important thing is, I don't think so women need someone to fight for themselves. Even suffering is the biggest crime. And even a woman is also a part of the crime if they allow someone to make them suffer. Girls, you are strong enough to fight for yourselves. Allowing someone to give you mental and physical torture will just make them feel that they are right. Wake up and raise your voice. This is your lives, not of your families and of these societies. Your dreams are in your eyes. Your families, your friends and this society cannot see that. Wake up, raise your voice, fight for yourself. Be brave, be strong enough, alone. Thank you.